Alright, so here we have a little duo padlock. This is on loan from, wrong keys, Culper Woodhill on Discord. He was kind enough to loan it to me and give me some advice on how to pick it. I've got one of these duo cam locks, but for whatever reason, these guys are dang near impossible to pick. I think there's only one person I know of so far that's managed to pick one of these guys. Something's wrong internally with one of these, but Culper Woodhill was nice enough to loan me this padlock so I can give it a shot, and had a little bit of success so far. Didn't take terribly long. Let's see, make sure the key works. I can figure out which way it goes in. Yep, key works. Now let's lock this guy up and get him in the vise. Alright, let's see how long this takes us. The general advice with these things seems to be you can't overset them, and as long as you pick the side pins first, you can get into a pretty good false set, and then it's just working the bottom and the tops from there. Let's see, so let's go ahead and get these side pins. Come on. Pick in there, right? All right, hold on. Let's reset this real quick. There we go. Let's try that now. There we go. Yep, we are in a nice false set right there. I think the best luck I've had with this one so far is to actually pick the bottoms first. So I'm going to switch tension. Kind of bully these things down. Come on. Got a little deeper false set there. No, let's see if there's. No, I don't think that. No, the last one did get another little click out of it. All right, let's try to switch to top pins. Come on, getting stuck. There we go. Hardest part of this is honestly getting your pick on the wafers just right. All right, so let me poke at the bottom again real quick to see if I maybe unset something here. Get the Side pins in with a quick poke. There we go. I think maybe a side pin had dropped there, or needed to be reset, because it dropped into a little bit deeper false set as soon as I touched it. Come on. To the pin, or the wafer. Oh, almost. Sure felt like it turned quite a bit there, but not quite there yet. Oh, there's probably like one pin holding this up here. Which pin is holding this up? Let me try the sides one more time, and I'll try the bottom again. I think all the sides are set. It's probably somewhere on the bottom. Maybe, maybe not. There we go. It was one of the last one on the bottom. So let's see. Yep, there we go. Open. And walk that guy back up. There we go. And unfortunately can't really gut these guys without destroying them. So especially since it's a loner, I'm definitely not gonna break this thing apart. But just yeah, thanks again, Culper Woodhill for Woodhull. I've been saying that wrong the entire video. I'm sorry. Woodhull for loaning me the lock and helping out with some advice for how to pick it. Thanks.